This person wrote in saying, the loo for the common bathroom in our building has thumbprint entry.
अबे थंबप्रिंट एंट्री है ना, एग्जिट थोड़ी है.
Exit नहीं है.
अबे थंब प्रिंट तो है किसी का लगा हुआ. 1 second. Common loo has thumbprint entry.
Has thumbprint entry. Yeah, I think this is one of those things where they want to keep, like delivery boys and all those guys from using
Any
the thing.
outsider basically.
Yeah. But it's excessive, I feel. It's too much tech for what it is.
Wouldn't it be simpler to just give the staff of the building keys to the room?
Yeah, but then I feel like in an emergency.
You're saying that the people in the building are like, एक second, what if? And this is a society meeting that is happening.
Yeah.
And they're like, we need to invest this 5,000 rupees in this thumbprint scanner. क्यों शर्मा जी क्यों? Say, अरे मेरे को कभी नीचे walk कर रहा होता हूँ मैं, power walk के time लग जाती है, अब मुझे जाना होता है.
Bro, in my neighboring building, the watchman, you know what he did? He had the keys, right? So he would, तेरा शौचालय होता है ना, उसमें कैसे 2 रुपया देके जा सकता है. So he had led all the other people from outside कि भाई, if you want to use this one, you come, you give me $10 and I'll let you use it.
Genius.
And burst कैसे हुआ? एक दिन उसने बहुत लोगों को दे दिया और खुद दूसरे जगह गया.
हाँ.
ठीक है. So there's outside the common room, there's 10 people just standing. तो सेक्रेटरी चल के आ रहा, बोल रहा ये 10 लोग कौन है और ये लाइन में क्यों खड़े हैं? तभी जाके बस में है ब्रो.
And वो सेक्रेटरी आके पूछा है क्या? अरे आप लाइन में लगो पहले. क्या?
Hello and welcome to another episode of Tis Maa Kasam, a show where you'll hear unreal stories from real people. Stories that make you go, Maa Kasam, ye sach hai.
माँ कसम कौन साथ कौन खिलाफ है. माँ कसम कौन है भाई कौन सांप है. माँ कसम भाई ताचारा रहे भाईचारा. माँ कसम हुआ जो भी उसके जिम्मेदार सिर्फ.
This story, I heard it from my Jiju. He was in his final year in 2018 when this incident happened, which involved his entire group circle and 2 of his closest friends in college. So about 7 to 8 people were there in this group, and they decided that it's our last final year. All of us have gotten placed. We're all, going to chill now. So let's just go take a trip in the mountains. And so they decided to take a trip to Darjeeling, and slowly this group expanded, and then it grew to some 35-40 people.
Classic. Classic. Plan bana hai, chalo.
And all of them were guys. So they
Also classic. It's like an amoeba just accumulating.
So initially the plan was just to rent a couple of cars and drive to the entire place.
A couple of cars for 40 people.
For the 8
ओ
people.
पाजी मैं शुरू कर गया. अरे तू ऊपर बैठ जाओ ऊपर. 4 लोग को बांधा हुआ है बैक से, just 2 लोग टायर पेट के पकड़ के बैठे हैं.
Sorry, they're going from Delhi to Darjeeling.
Yeah.
By car.
By car. So the plan was to just hire 2 cars for the 8 initial people, but then it became such a huge group that they decided let's just rent a bus. And because we are so inept at driving, let's just drive ourselves.
What?
Drive the bus.
Drive the bus.
लौंडा brain.
On the state highway.
On the straight highway and the curvy
Darjeeling.
roads.
Bro, it's not Delhi to Agra, तो दार्जिलिंग जा रहा है. कितना टाइम लगता है?
Yeah.
I love
I
this
think
idea.
a few hours.
A
5
few?
or 6 hours.
A few hours. If the bus is on a plane and that plane goes, it'll still take 2 hours at
Also,
least.
Darjeeling is ghats. These morons thought. मैं घाट तुमने वीडियोस देखे मैं तो 2 buses are passing each other on a घाट.
They watched some YouTube tutorials.
They watch the YouTube.
Oh no! ये देखते अरे सेकंड में कैसे जाते?
They watched a YouTube
What
tutorial.
would be worse is now they're like, oh, I'm hanging off a cliff, and then the YouTube ad starts. अबे नहीं, premium plan लेना.
Oh fuck.
So they had a safe trip and they enjoyed all of them, and then they were coming back about a week later. And when they were coming back, it was late evening, and the people who were driving were slightly intoxicated. Everybody had drunk. Everybody had had a lot of alcohol, but these 3 people,
अभी a lot हो
the
गया.
driver,
See how fast it went from slightly to a lot of alcohol.
but the
अबे
driver.
बस में बॉटल जैसे आगे पीछे रोल हो रही है.
So let's call this person the driver who was at the time driving, and then the person
Sure,
who was
lot
sitting
of
behind.
Bollywood people also blame it on the driver.
What's your name? Rajas. Rajas is driving, and what's your name? Shubhanshu. Shubhanshu.
No, I don't want to take their names because of what happens later in
Oh.
the story. So
Then definitely take
Yeah,
their
yeah.
names. Let's go.
so there's the driver, the person sitting behind him. Let's call him the conductor. And there was
वो
there
इतना
was-
दारू पिया उसने ए टिकट
अबे तुझे अपनी बस है.
and then then one third person just like, okay, the Stepney.
वो जो साइड में बैठा होता है ना all the time, just
There's always that long distance bus which has one guy who sits on the gear box में गर्म हो जाता है, उसके ऊपर बैठा रहता है. तेरा काम क्या है? तू navigation भी नहीं बैठा है.
मैं वार्मर हूँ.
अबे he's the hype guy. अरे बहुत अच्छा चला है. Hype man.
So these three guys. हाँ.
So yeah, so the bus is coming and normally everybody is singing, बहुत अच्छा माहौल है, everybody is drinking, chilling. Now this bus rounds a very steep bend
Oh,
and they're going at a relatively high speed, which you're not supposed to in those toxy-turny roads. So suddenly few people who are sitting behind, they start raising an alarm. And there's a furor. They say that we need to stop the bus right here at the side of the road. And so they just park on the side. And these people at the back, they go like, when we were just rounding this bend, we saw this one motorcycle. A man was driving. Somebody who appeared like their wife or their significant other was sitting behind them. And now that the bus has gone around the corner, we don't see this bike anymore. And one person who was sitting closest to the window said that I saw that the rear end of the bus just hit the bike and the bike has fallen off of the cliff. And we need to stop right here. We need to go look for them and see if they're okay.
We also need to
and
stop
if we
right
can
here.
help.
Please stop filming.
कैमरा रोक.
So,
क्या किया तूने राजेश?
So these three people who are sitting in the front, they very confidently go like, we can see everything. You guys are extremely drunk and you don't know what you saw. You're just hallucinating and seeing stuff. The roads have been empty for a very long while and the headlights are so powerful that we can see everything. And there was nobody. And let's go. Let's not waste everybody's time here. So this guy was still very adamant that no, we need to stop, get off, do something about it if we can still salvage the situation. But these guys did not let any, like they heavily influenced everybody and they went back. So now this one guy was genuinely now starting to cut himself off the group. He got very disturbed. He thought they'd done something extremely morally wrong. And so he cut himself off of the entire group. Now cut to 2 months later, a friend circle consisting of 10 to 15 of the same group of guys have decided to go and just go to Murthal, get some parathas, have fun. So then on their way back, 4 to 5 people decide that we are going to stop at the edge of this lake which is there in Delhi. It's like a canal which flows through. And let's stop here, let's chill for a while. They used to go there all the time and they used to just dip their feet and just chill. So these people stayed back, 3 people stayed back and the rest of them came back. So now 2 days had passed and 2 of those people were not found anywhere. So people started looking for them, started raising
From
up
the group?
from the 3 people who had stayed back. Out of those 3 people, 1 person was the driver, 1 was the conductor, and 1 was another friend who had not gone on that trip. So now everybody starts looking for these people and the third person comes forward and says that मैं तो जल्दी आ गया था. These people decided to stay back. So I don't know what happened and we need to inform the police. So they did
Now
that.
they want to inform the police.
Yeah.
And the police go on a search and everything. And 3 more days later, the bodies of those 2 people are washed ashore further downstream at I think some outskirts of Delhi. But this is a canal where they have often gone. Everybody in DTU knows about this canal and there is never any flow of water. So वहाँ पे कभी-कभी भैंसें भी नहाती हैं. वो ऐसा वाला canal है कि कुछ flow नहीं होता. Nothing dangerous ever happens. So this incident happens and this one guy who was very adamant he saw something happen was now thinking that, you know, this is like karma has come around. The third person who was sitting behind the conductor, the Stepney, so to say.
उसकी तो गांड फटी है.
काफी ज़्यादा. So then he is extremely terrified. So he like takes extra measures to protect himself and his life. But now, like I think a few more months have passed, and he has come back to his normal routine. So
And he makes another plan with 10 people.
बस निकालो भाई अपन बस में नहीं जाते ट्रक निकालो.
No, so he plans to go for a football game. And he's pretty good at it. He's been playing all his life. So in that game, he just makes a kick and something weird happens. His foot twists in a very terrible manner. So much so that he's rushed to the hospital and he's put on a wheelchair for, I think, what is going to be the rest of his life. Because it's like the doctors have said, you cannot do anything. He has paralysis in one half of his body. And that is how he's living now, going through exercises and physiotherapy and all of that.
Bro, final destination चल रहा है इधर.
And that destination is Darjeeling.
So this this news was, it also came out in 2018 in the papers that 2 final year students have washed ashore and their bodies have been found. They were coming from Motel. All of it has been documented.
But what about that couple on the bike? वो उसका कुछ इन लोग ने follow up नहीं किया कभी?
If they did, I'm not aware.
तू
of
क्या
it.
ऐसा कर रहा है
Neither
जैसे
is
तुम लोग को
my-
पता है?
Crazy. Give it up for Chetna, yeah. What a super story.
Wow.
Thank you.
मैं तो दार्जिलिंग नहीं जा रहा ना बस चला रहा हूँ
That is a very, very, very creepy story. Huh? Well done. So, what is your story?
I think my story is not. I think my story is of how I got my mom remarried. I was about 18 when my mom had just freshly gotten divorced, and she had gone into like this mom thing of like, अब मेरा सिर्फ सपना मेरी बेटी की शादी करवानी है. अब now her life is the thing. And I went to film school. My only job in life that I wanted to do was to fuck around and run away from my mom. So I was like, okay, what do I do with this free time that my mom now has that she does not spend fighting with my dad? So after a year of being in college, I kind of came back home for holiday and I decided that I would put my mom on Tinder. Oh. Yeah, at the time, and I'm not from Bombay, I'm from Abu Dhabi. I did this in Abu Dhabi. So at the time, Tinder had just become legal as a dating app.
In Abu Dhabi?
In Abu Dhabi, yeah. So, like, okay, so for a bunch of years, all the dating apps were banned because it's against the law of the country. I mean, they work on Islamic laws. So, now it was legal
उसमें
at the
अलग होता है
time.
उसमें swipe up होता है सब
Yeah. So,
He can do it. He can do it. He can. So allowed it.
And
swipe 4
I kind of did what my 18-year-old brain could like come up with, which is put my mom's hottest pictures that I could find.
But you were operating the account.
Yeah, in the bio, I wrote that this account is run by the daughter, don't be a freak. So I wrote everything. I said she's divorced, she's like a teacher, she has one really annoying daughter, and you have to get through me to like even have a conversation with her. And
this was the bio that you
yeah,
wrote.
this was the bio, and my mom had no clue. So I kind of like showed up at tea time one day, and I'm like, hey, here's a fun thing we should do. Yeah, and she absolutely hated it for 2 days. There was no lunch in the house. She's like, I'm kicking you out. You're going back. You went to Bombay. Bombay's ruined your brain. So she was like freshly 42, 43.
Tinder had that age range.
Yeah. You had the age range thing. You could put in your location. You could, like, it was pretty like how the Tinder app was in the beginning before Kurla got to it, right? So,
Is there anyone from Kurla?
I'm sorry.
अभी
I'm
कोई हाँ थोड़ी
sorry.
बोलने वाला है
I'm sorry. I've only lived in Bombay for 8 years, so like, leave me alone. And finally, one of the days she gets around and she's like, what is this app? Like, how do you find somebody on an app? Is this not like illegal? I said, it's kind of illegal, but like if you meet at a coffee shop, like what's the worst thing that's going to happen? She said, okay, I won't be on the app. You can talk to all these people. And like make me meet your final pick, okay? I made the thing, I've matched with people, I've started
Did
like
you speak to
brief. Yeah, I made it very clear. I said my name, I said I'm like a full daughter, she has no clue.
So you're
I'm
a
like-
full daughter?
Yeah, like a full child talking to you right now. And the second I would feel like they are flinching somewhere in that conversation, I would kind of be annoying, right? Like keep being as like rage baity as possible as a human
What's the most
being.
rage baity thing you said?
I
Do you
think
like
I-
maggots?
No, I think I started out with, oh, so like, how much money do you make? That's the easiest one with like old men, right? And they'll be like, oh, aren't these like inappropriate conversations? And I said, I'm setting you up to meet my mom, not me. Why are you asking me what color I like? Like, it does not matter. Right? I have to know if you're worthwhile taking my mom out on a date. It does not matter if you're trying to be my friend. So we kind of...
What color do you like better?
No, you can't have this conversation with me.
So how do you find your dad? Did you find him?
Yeah,
on-
so I found him on Tinder and his profile had the coolest thing. He's into textile. So he said, oh, I'm a fabric guy. I got divorced when I was really young. And like it's all written in his bio. And I think that was the cutest thing that got to me. And the first photo was him and his like siblings. So I was like, okay, family man looks nice. And I swiped right and we kind of started talking a little bit on my father now, if I put it that way. And I showed his profile to my mom.
She's
and
like,
my mom...
find my Abba
Yeah. I showed his profile to my mom, and my mom said no the first time around. And she said, I don't like his nose, it's too big. And she didn't like, she's like, okay, what a freak. So I put both of them on a WhatsApp group together. And I told my dad that if you text her outside of this WhatsApp group, I will call the police on you.
So you were also on the group.
Yeah, I was also on the
So
group.
you could monitor the-
Yeah, and my mom would completely
This
ignore
is
him.
so the opposite of what happens. Na? Usually parents want to, hey, what are you doing texting? Who are you?
Nothing.
Huh.
I was trying to get her off my back, so the worst thing I could do is like just surveil her back enough that she's distracted now. She's like,
इसमें माँ की खुशी का कुछ है ही नहीं भाई. मुझे लगा sweet story. Oh, you know, so sweet. She's looking. It's about my mom remarrying. I wanted to get her off my back.
Back,
बड़ी चाहिए थी. अमीर भाग चला फटाफट बात.
so the only thing I told him was don't text her on WhatsApp. I didn't say don't show up. So he just showed up to the Diwali party, and then after that he kept like trying to give her missed calls because again I said please stop trying to text my mom outside the WhatsApp group. So he found every loophole to my instructions to like kind of woo my mom very romantically. So he would show up outside her school with like flowers. So I was like, I think even if he played a game, he played a bloody good one. At one point my mom finally calls me and she's like, ting! And there's like a big ring on her hand. And I was like, oh wait, ek saal se kya chal raha hai, bro? And she's like, yeah, we met at that Diwali party. And then since you couldn't text me on my number, we just started talking on Instagram. And I was like, okay, that's fair enough. You guys won. And the way he tried to propose to my mom was even better because it's like two old people trying to come up with the... I think there's a Matthew McConaughey movie where he puts, or like a Bradley Cooper movie where he puts the key, the ring inside the fridge and he keeps it next to the fruit. So that's what my dad did.
मैं तो खा जाता.
My mom didn't notice. He made her go back 5 times. She didn't notice each time. You know, my dad's friend was filming in the, like, from the bedroom trying to get this interaction. And my mom just closely, she's like, why the fuck are you so hungry, bro?
Make me a sandwich. Make me a sandwich. अबे क्या है? I want to break up with you. नहीं propose करना था.
Yeah. So like he had to send my mom and like walk into the kitchen with her near the fridge and just be like, go into the fridge, take out the ring and be like, dude, I can't be romantic with you. You are so oblivious, but can you please marry me? At that point, there was no will you. It was can you, please.
You will.
You win.
That's sweet.
That's
So now both of them have another account on Tinder where they're looking for a damar.
That's it from this episode of Makasam. New episodes drop every Friday. We'd love to hear your unbelievable stories, so mail them in at thismakasam@gmail.com.